They're all the way down there. Yep. Killed him. Damn. I'm so tempted to go loot that dude's body, but I'm not doing it. Fuck that. No, I'm talking about the one that got the crate. Yeah, fuck that. I ain't getting lit up for a crate drop. I want to see where these guys are behind us. They're all gonna have to come to us. Alright, just let them get to the crate. Oh, wait, they're gonna have to come to us. 340? Oh, I see. There was one there's one going for the crate, one's not. One's up here with us. Good thing I was here, dude. Alright, get in circle. Oh shit, there's another person right there. Alright. Alright, freaking buggies here. Where? Though. That's the thing. Alright, well, let's go, let's get edge. Let's try and just pray that we don't got, yeah, no, you can barely even see the freaking, storm, really. Them people that were camping that crate was probably hella pissed because we came up and killed them. And then I stole someone's kill. Alright. There's shooting right up here, so I say we go ahead and... Yep. Check if anybody's in this shack. So we don't get... Nope, nobody. So I say we just stay right here, this hill. Most likely nobody's coming up behind us unless they've been trolling us the whole time. Alright, well. It seemed like they're all down in that city. There's one. They're 140. I just don't. I'm not gonna shoot because I can't get no good shots on them. Come on, get a circle. Get a circle. Fuck! We gotta go to them. It's like the worst thing for us to happen. Alright. Alright, so you think we should go ahead and... Yeah, like... And get, like... I said we should go ahead and travel this, like, side. Like, come up behind them. Pop them. You know what I mean? Alright, there's one dude. Right in front of us. He just went down a hill. I don't know how many people died, so... Killed the dude with the car 98, but I ain't picking it up. Alright, the squad that he was shooting at is like right in front of us. Shit. They're right at this vehicle. They're right at the vehicle. They don't see us, I don't think. Nah, I got him, I got him, I got him. Dang, nice. Did you just kill that other one? Please tell me you just killed that other one. Oh. Okay, good. Because, I was like, I heard another suppress shot. Whew. Yeah, I'm thankful for that. Where are they? Oh, I see one. Damn, I got my damn fucking Tommy gun out. What the fuck? Alright, you gotta... he can't shoot me from here, so... As soon as you revive me, I gotta use a med kit. Like a legit med kit. Alright, well, he just got lit up. I think that was him. Nope. No, yeah, that wasn't him that killed me. Alright, I gotta get one of these dudes' helmet real quick after this. Please tell me one of these guys' helmets. Alright, there we go. Alright, are these guys... Just go, 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 go. Try to get below this hill. Alright, is that the only group that's... are they up there? Where I got shot at? Alright, well, we have no clue where these dudes... Oh, they're right in front of us!